Hello viewers, welcome to our Acer Predator Mall and exclusive Acer store of our Vishal Computer Private Limited. Today I am here to show you a beautiful laptop, but before that check out the cozy yet electrifying vibe of the store. Spectacular, isn't it? Now let me take you to the laptop. Come on. Meet the new Acer Nitro Lite 16. Today I'm gonna give you the inner scoop, epic visuals and live tests. So get comfy, smash that like button and let's jump into a review that's as unique as this laptop. First up, that design. Most laptops look like armored tanks, but this one, all style and subtlety. Just 1.95 kilos, incredibly slim at 23 millimeters and coated in an elegant pearl white finish. In a world full of black and red rigs, this one dares to stand out, and it works, definitely works. So now let's check out the backlit keyboards. Clean white glow, highlighted WASD keys, ready for those late night raids or power typing sessions. And with a premium feel, the Nitro Lite doesn't just look good, it looks fantastic every time you open it up. Gamers and creators, brace yourself. This is a 16-inch WXGA IPS display with a crystal clear 1920 by 1200 resolution. 165Hz refresh rate means your games glide buttery smooth with zero screen tearing even in fast-paced titles. And it comes with a Type-C charging adapter, and the taller 16:10 ratio is a game changer for vertical space. Whether I'm battling in Apex Legends or editing a 4K video, it's all vivid and expansive. Trust me, once you go high refresh, there's no turning back. Under the hood, this Nitro Lite 16 packs a modern punch. 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H processor with 8 cores and 12 threads of base clock speed, 2.1 GHz to 4.1 GHz, absolute multitasking charm, paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 6GB GDDR6 VRAM. Real talk, AAA gamers, high settings plus ray tracing. Esports and streaming, no sweat. Even with multiple apps running in the background, thanks to 16GB DDR5 RAM upgradable to 32GB. And load times vanish with that 512GB PCIe 4 SSD expandable to 1TB. Performance is smooth, snappy and seriously impressive for this size and price, guys. Let's talk unique extras. That wide backlit keyboard is not just for show. It's fast, comfy and game ready. Privacy shutter webcam, peace of mind for calls or streams. Slide it shut when off duty. Hit the Copilot key for instant AI help in Windows 11. Summon notes, tasks, or creative inspiration on the spot. Dual fans and intelligent venting keep heat in check even during marathon sessions. Connectivity is all here. HDMI 2.1 for your monitors, USB-C with PD for fast 100-watt charging, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports with power off charging, Wi-Fi 6 which is noticeably faster in real life, and a gigabit Ethernet socket for a lag-free online. Expect up to 7 hours of real-world battery on light use and with a recharge capacity of 50% under 30 minutes only. That's real flexibility for students, creators, and anyone on the go. Fans are effective, keyboard is responsive, and on a table or lap, it's always solid. So if you game and create, the Nitro Lite has your back. Gorgeous design, light, portable, and unique. Smooth, color-rich, and high refresh display. Strong performance, gaming, streaming, and content creation. Fast charging, lots of ports, and yes, Windows 11 Copilot AI key. Would I pick this over a chunky, old-school gaming laptop? Absolutely. But tell me in the comments, is portability or all-out power more important for you? Now let's check out the benchmarks of this laptop. So how did you find the benchmarking? Let me know in the comments. If you want a laptop that works and wows, the Nitro Lite 16 should be on your radar. Are you all about style, speed, or both? Drop your thoughts and dream setups below. Like if you enjoyed this in-depth look and review. And if you want to own this laptop, visit our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computex stores. And if you want to order this online, log into www.vishalperipherals.com. And for more such updates and beautiful gadget reviews, stay tuned to our channel. Until then, happy gaming, happy creating. Peace out.